Evergreens are true winter beauties, and when we think of the holiday season, we often think of evergreens. They just dot the landscape. When all of our deciduous trees are beginning to drop their leaves, these hang on and give us that beautiful green foliage. Now we've got arborvitae here, we've got junipers, we've got this beautiful Leland cypress, and Leland cypress is traditionally grown in Louisiana on Christmas tree farms. It is a cross between a cedar and a cypress, and it's got these beautiful needles, just these wonderful conifers here and junipers that look wonderful in the landscape. So we think about them often as Christmas trees, but we can utilize these in the landscape. And winter is a wonderful time to plant trees and shrubs. You can utilize these, buy these in 3, 5 gallon, 7 gallon, and have these large trees that you can eventually transplant into the ground. If you want to have them indoors and utilize them as a Christmas tree, they can be planted into the landscape. Now these do well in full sun or partial shade. They just need a well-drained area. Not a whole lot of fertilizer. Evergreens are very easy care plants, and they do provide habitat for wildlife and many birds, things like that. And in some cases, we do get berries with some of these and different types of bird food with all sorts of different types of evergreens. So when considering and thinking about the Christmas holidays, why not consider planting one of these evergreen trees or shrubs? You can actually utilize and make cuttings from these to make swags and wreaths, so something that's in the yard that you can just pull off and enjoy year round. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.